if we don't get this fixed, people are going to be on the streets.
Yep.
And that can't happen.
No tenemos una vivienda permanente, un lugar seguro. Ya mis niños tienen, como mencioné, pues las condiciones que tienen. Los niños no están emocionalmente y necesito un lugar estable donde estar. En Puerto Rico no tengo residencia, la perdí completa y somos ciudadanos americanos. Tenemos los mismos derechos.
One of the things that has been so frustrating in this process has been that there are procedures in place for helping Americans following a major catastrophe like a hurricane. But the Trump administration has simply done too little, too late for Puerto Rico.
Yes.
I'm here since December the 2nd. I came here from Puerto Rico because of the devastation there. My town is a little town in the center part of the island. It was destroyed because it was flooded.
The focus right now on housing is to get FEMA to ask HUD to provide long-term disaster relief housing. The mechanisms are in place, the funding is in place. This is not a hard lift if FEMA will make the request. I want FEMA to hear more of your voices because I understand we're running out of time. That should not happen